Right, what's up, traders? Happy Thursday. So I'm filming this. I'm on a flight tomorrow, so I'm filming this beforehand. But I want to speak a little bit about market and what they are actually doing right now. So we've obviously had this is Wednesday night my time, so late afternoon American time. I'm filming this for pre-market, and we've had a pretty big sell-off, right? But we are actually retracing it right now, which is pretty crazy. So ES from the opening range low dropped down 70 points. We've kind of erased that whole move off the lows here. We are back up 60 points, which is pretty crazy. So the volatility is definitely is back. The VIX is above 90. Excuse me, I've spoken about that for quite some time. I want to speak about now. Let's go over here and let's see how we could have actually made money today. I made money today, as you can see over here. Here is my daily report card. I shorted YM off the highs over here. Simple reason. The edgeful screen is telling me to stay short bias. And for those that are watching, right, as I said, this will be a replay. It will be live, but I'm filming beforehand. Something that has helped me so much is the edgeful data. Today, we were looking at choppy price action, right, on ES. Look how we were pretty choppy around about here. I was thinking of potential bottoms here and taking this higher. And I was a bit in between. But because this edgeful screen had told me to stay short bias, that's the direction that I wanted to trade in on the indexes. So there's two lessons from today. One, stick to the edgeful screener. It helps so much, especially after that first hour. And two, don't jump into trades. Let price discover itself, give you more information before you look to hop in. I think so many traders get caught up in trying to, get in on fast momentum plays right off the open. I actually just created a video. I took an FTMO 4K payout today as well, which you can look over here. Okay. And I think so many traders, they try and hop in based on momentum. I was looking at my stats from this, and my worst trading times were actually the first 30 minutes of market open. My best times came afterwards, once I let price action come to me and I just let the market tell me what it wants to do. So that's some tips for you guys. Okay, so that was my trade here today. I've had a good start to February as well. Let's go like this. Let's go this month. Okay. You can see over here, I've had 2 green days to start February, but just letting price action come to me instead of chasing. Again, the screener is such a great tool for traders that sometimes like to flip-flop in and out of different directions. Slow things down, let price action come to you. Now, 2 things from a new standpoint this week. We will probably have NFP on Friday. I don't know about the government shutdowns and everything like that today. I spoke about it on my pre-market today on Wednesday about it. It could be happening. But we can't control that. So we have to, let the market dictate our next move instead of us trying to predict it, react. So will NFP happen this Friday? Probably not, but we'll see. It's going to be an interesting one. But yeah, any thoughts or questions in the chat? I will get back to the questions as well. Any thoughts or questions in the chat right now? Any questions in the chat? I'll do get back to these, so please put them in. Cool. So again, the stuff that I use for the edgeful screener, again, I have a daily bias saved, right? And again, it's just printing red. So when there is a little bit of indecision, like there was today, there definitely was a little bit of indecision here. Look how this is a 5-minute time frame, but if we drop down even to like a 1 minute, okay, look how much chop we actually found. We try and find a support zone at this opening range low. It never ends up happening, but I did at one point, which was an hour into the open, try and cross my mind to try and get long. I'm glad I stayed short and waited, but look again, if you don't trade any of this, look how easy the shorts are here off that New York session view app. It just becomes very, very easy to take if you let the markets just come to you and you don't try and force something that isn't there. I find so many traders, they think that the more they trade, the more money they will make. Incorrect. The less you trade, the the more happier I am personally. The less I trade, the more happier I am, and the easier I can look to find positions in and out of the market. Looks like Tesla and Nvidia now coming off of those lows. That's what is causing this bounce back up. And see Nvidia retracing a little bit as well with Tesla, and now Nvidia too. So take what the market gives you. Don't look for home runs every single day, and just look to stack winners. You don't need to trade every day to make money. So coming into Thursday, again, levels that I am watching. So let's go to a 15-minute time frame. And as you can see, I've made my charts lighter. So I hope that you guys appreciate that. That used to be the darker one over here. That's the daily. I have to have that there for the red and green candles. But look how this level we are respecting all week. It's this 910 level, 900 level, 6900, right? Right over here. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens overnight. The next level that I would be looking at is personally this level here at 960. Okay. Do we take that out over in the Asian session? But again, trade what's in front of you. There's 4 levels that I think everyone should be watching every single day. Pre-market highs and lows, previous days highs and lows. I loved the shorts on the indexes today because we're trading as an inside day, but it looked like we wanted to come back down and tag those previous days lows. And that is from the extended market hours. So not the actual US stock market open hours from 9:30 to 4. This is from the extended market hour open hours. Okay. So that's just to keep in mind. So that's the level I'm looking at. Do we get above that level overnight? Who knows? But again, I'm going to leave you guys here. Keep it simple. Let the trades come to you and trust the edgeful data and screen it to make sound trading decisions. I hope that you guys have a great trading day. Reach out to me. I won't be live. I'm flying over. I'm going to a wedding, but I will be in the Discord chat. I hope that you guys have a great one, and we'll see you all there.